Hi, everyone. Welcome to 2024. Hello, everyone. This is the opportunity that you've been waiting for. I'm sure you've been waiting to hear something like this, and it is at your doorstep now. In case you have thoughts in your mind, some things you've been pondering on, and you want it to be known, you want it to be heard by everyone, this is an opportunity for you to join the media team, for you to join the broadcasters. Here, you can bring out all your amebo, rishi is allowed here. Just reach us. We're at your doorstep. We can give you the opportunity to say out your mind, for people to hear you, for you to be known all over the world, and your voice to be heard. Thank you. We await your response.
So what's up, everybody? DB right here, morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you were watching me from. I have special guests in the building.
Woo,
Wow!
woo, 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 woo.
Are you kidding me
Yeah.
right now?
What's up? Like I said, our special guest is in the building. She's in the building right now. Listen, this is our first podcast in 2024. Yeah, you can hear Mama of the Year. Mama of the Year is in the building.
Woo!
This is our podcast 2024.
24.
It's going to be lovely. It's going to be tatalicious.
Hmm.
Atarodo, atadidin, atasombo. Gbogbo ẹ̀ láti fi sí.
Yes, so.
Iyọ̀ ti wà ń bẹ̀.
Yes,
Maggi ti wà ń bẹ̀.
yes,
All the
so.
seasoning ó ti wà ń bẹ̀.
On point.
Yeah. Today is the day.
The day we've been waiting for.
God bless you. They said, this is our year.
Yes, so.
So we are using this platform to tell everybody pé ẹ má lọ sùn o.
Don't sleep on it. Wake up.
God bless you. Hold your calendar well,
Yes,
yo.
so.
As you are completing each day task, kó máa mark ẹ̀,
Straight
kó
up.
máa mark ẹ̀. At the end of the month, kó wá lọ sí bank, kó sọ pé give me my account balance.
Yes, so.
Kọ́ máa fún ẹ báyìí kó kàn smile ni kò ní yes.
Eh,
Tó bá ń gbọ́ hard work pays.
yeah.
So, right about now, we would like our guest, special, tatalicious, delicious, sweetenious, whatever she is. We like her to introduce herself. Just introduce yourself. Tell us what you want people to know you as.
Well, welcome back to our theme 2024. I wish everybody a happiest new year. Welcome to 2024. My name's Hara Omoyeni Oluwatoyomomi, but you can call me Damsel.
You can hear that. If I say make I repeat what she said, I go bite my tongue. Honestly, I don't want to bite my tongue. This is fresh, new year. So let me just take it slow. So basically, thank you, welcome. I would like to say this. Please, this 2024, before we enter 2024, our body dey hot. Everybody body dey hot.
Wow, nobody they hot.
Nah, Baba cause am now. Baba,
But now vote am now.
what do you mean una? You know, are you not part of us?
I know that time me, I know even dey. I know the country that time. Now vote Baba now. Èmi ló kàn. Una no specify wetin èmi ló kàn.
See, this is the strategy Baba used for us. Baba say, Èmi ló kàn. If you want to say it, you cannot say ìwọ ló kàn. You are going to claim that thing now. You say èmi ló kàn. If anybody is going to repeat what Baba said, you will say èmi ló kàn. That's the way it's being said everywhere. So for you saying èmi ló kàn, èmi ló kàn, èmi ló kàn, we now put our hands together our thumbs on the ballot, we now say àwa ló kàn, subsidy dẹ̀ kàn wá, ara wa dẹ̀ gbẹ.
Like seriously, everybody is saying èmi ló kàn, èmi ló kàn. But I think everybody is meant to be specific on what is calling you. You have to be specific. Some people, ọlọ́ba yẹn kí failure kàn wá. So we have to be specific on what we said èmi ló kàn, and now everything is being subsidized. Èmi ló kàn. So please, I'm not the one that bring in Baba. Oh. It's you people that voted for èmi ló kàn.
Okay, now, okay, you said you are not the one.
Yes, so
You are not part of the people that brought Baba.
I'm not part of them.
If Baba say palliative is set now, make everybody and we can't see your face say you deny yourself.
Is that palliative that is affecting this country now? Everything is not about people. Is not about what we want. That is how most of our youth sold out their tomorrow. Everything is not about money. Everything is not about food. Yeah, we can understand that things are quite good now. Let me not say things are bad, or let me say things are worse. Let's always try to be positive about things. So we understand that things are good now, but we should also try not to sell out our dignity. Most of our youth sold out their dignity because of food, because of money, and now here is Nigeria. Our parents are fasting and praying for a new Nigeria, and still yet we're stagnant. We're in one place. So everything is not about money. It's not about what we want to eat. We need to think of our tomorrow. We need to think of our future. So I don't know, this èmi ló kàn still now.
Okay, now, for example, now, are you saying if they said here is your own palliative, won't you collect it?
What kind of palliative?
They call it national cake now. Anything that is coming from government to your pocket, or now, if they said palliative is a kind of national cake. If the people at the Aso Rock, if they are sharing their own, most of the allowances, all those things they collected, it is our thing they collected. They are representing us. They will now bring it down to the grassroots. They will now be sharing it. You understand? You heard about the 5 billion or something.
Yeah.
Now, that palliative, people have begun to go out to number buildings, take down people's name, get people's name, collect it, know how many people are in particular community or environment. So they will not share whatever is it rich or whatever that's supposed to be theirs. Okay. Now, if they now get to your own and say, okay, this is your palliative, because it's the resources of Nigeria being shared. You understand? Because they believe that all of us, we should be able to gain something from government, whether things are hard or not. So now, are you saying that if they bring that to you, you will not say, no, this is not what you want? That's what you are saying, because you never want it this way. Yes, we are all feeling the pain now, all of us. But I don't want anybody to say, now, all of us. For the fact that we open our eyes like this, Baba did there. We know when Baba say, èmi ló kàn, èmi ló kàn, èmi ló kàn. That time, if we say we no want Baba true, and all of us no want Baba shouldn't be there. What that means is that some people want Baba, and what means at the end of the day is that majority, I don't know, I don't want to talk about the other opinion that people had. What that means is that majority of people queue behind Baba for Baba to be there. So if Baba is there now, I think we shouldn't be blaming one another. What we should do now is to say, Baba, Ego, Elaiti,
Normal.
God bless you. Do you know that I watched China's news yesterday,
Okay.
about 2 minutes. They interview Wole Soyinka. I think he visited a president at the villa. They now ask him, sir, what is the outcome of the meeting? Baba said initially he used to call president Eleti Kukun. Yes, they were friends now. They've been friends
For long.
a long time. So Baba said, I call him Olori Kukun abi Eleti Kukun or something. He said, I told him not to run. I told him and Atiku to leave that position for the God bless you. So that they've been there for years, that they should just let it be for the
They should be like a godfather.
God bless you. That's what Wole Soyinka told before election, told them, Tinubu and Atiku. He told them, you people have gone past this. Let this be for the people. So he said, for the fact that they were friends and Tinubu didn't listen to him, he felt disappointed, but you cannot, because of that, and say you want to terminate. God bless you. So at the end of the day, one of the reporters said, what was the advice? Also, I can't remember. I can't really phrase the question right now. He said, he asked about something. Soyinka said, if you check my previous record, I always wait for any government in power. I always wait for 1 year. It is after 1 year I now come out and talk. Whether he's going to criticize them or he's going to support them, he say he doesn't rush them. You know that it takes time to get things in order, right? So after saying that, at the end of the day, one of the reporters said, what was the part of the this? He said, good, like he always did. Is visiting based on 7-point agenda. Now, if somebody like Wole Soyinka is talking about 7-point agenda, if you look at the man's age, the man an old man now. If 7-point agenda is finally implemented, do you know that the man will only enjoy it for just few? You understand? And he's not an hungry man now. What it means is that he's doing this fighting for us. Sometimes it's not about carrying whatever to fight. You have to send a good message to people. That's a kind of a so at the end of the day, I said there are people that really want good for this country. There are some rich people that want good for this country, but some people will criticize them. That is them. But for us, we are saying this not because we hate our president, not because we don't like. If his friend Wole Soyinka can say, leave this thing, we too, we have the right to say, leave this thing for people coming. You people have been enjoying this government, and you say you want to build the next generation. Do you think they are building new generation like that?
Hi everyone, happy new year to you. Welcome to 2024. In case you want your voice to be heard all over the world, you want your voice to be heard, you want your opinions to be heard by people, here is a platform where you can come to say out your mind. You want to join the media team, you want to be among the broadcasters, we are bringing it to your notice. You can join us, you can say your mind, and everywhere around the world your voice will be heard. So you can always reach us or drop our contact, and you can reach us via Instagram, via Facebook, or WhatsApp. Any social media platform, you can reach us and we will tell you what to do. But with us, your voice will be heard all over the world. Thank you.